Let's go into gaming. So gaming is a tremendous industry, makes more money than movies, extremely popular culturally, economically, technologically. Gaming and blockchain go together like chocolate and peanut butter. All kinds of enhanced uses for the gamer and the gaming company can show up that take it to the next level. Your assets are unseizable. Your assets are immutable. Your assets can transfer from one game to the other. You can rent them out when you're sleeping, or you can use them as collateral for a loan, which takes me into the next category of GameFi, which is a hybrid of gaming and finance, where you're playing a game, you're acquiring assets, they have value, you can sell them, you can use them for loans as collateral, you can loan them out, or you can even put them in vehicles like forwards and options and futures and swaps. That takes us to DeFi, decentralized finance, another category. This category is in blockchain years very old. It's been around for at least a cycle or two. And it enables a participant in the DeFi ecosystem to experience what you experience either at Wall Street or at your bank up the street. Loans, forwards, futures, options, swaps, all of these wonderful experiences that Wall Street allows you to have, or your bank up the street, you can now experience without a middle party. So party A wants to loan money, party B wants to borrow money. The only thing in between them is a smart contract, and that's a DeFi coin sitting on a layer 2, which makes a layer 1 underneath it go even faster. The next category we're going to look at is social tokens. So think about social media, Twitter, X, maybe Discord, certainly what was Facebook and is now Meta. Imagine that experience, but it's now tokenized on a blockchain, and probably sitting underneath it is a layer 1 like Avalanche or Ethereum. And suddenly your data is protected. If a third party out there wants to access your data, that only happens with your permission, and they have to pay you. If they want to censor you, or if they want to permission you to come on there, that's simply not possible. It's permissionless and it's censorship resistant. And as advertisers pour a lot of money into whoever's on that platform getting a lot of audience, that money now goes not to Mark Zuckerberg, but it goes to the folks who created a certain channel or certain page on social media. Let's talk about DEXs. It's a decentralized exchange. So one of the Achilles heels in blockchain up to now is the exchange. Coinbase, FTX, Binance. These are not to be confused. These animals called an exchange are not to be confused with blockchain or Web3 or crypto. They're a centralized entity. They are permissioned. They are susceptible to hacks or nefarious activity from inside. They can seize your assets. They bring all of the old problems. They're simply a bank where you come in and you give them money or some other crypto, and you get a different kind of crypto or some kind of experience on an L1. The idea of a decentralized exchange is to take a centralized entity like Coinbase or FTX and replace it with a piece of software, a smart contract, where Alice and Bob can meet and exchange coins for coins, or coins for dollars, or coins for yen.